In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Udemy course progress. Whether you're looking to revisit the course content with a fresh perspective, or hoping to reinforce your learning journey by reviewing material from the beginning, resetting your progress in Udemy can be a useful step. Let's dive in and walk through how to do this effectively. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Udemy account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and do so by entering your credentials on the Udemy website. Once you're logged in, you'll want to find your way to the My Learning section on your Udemy homepage. This area will list all the courses you're currently enrolled in, making it easy to track your progress and navigate between courses. Now click on the specific course that you're interested in resetting. This action will open up the course player. When the course player is open, ensure that the course content sidebar is visible on the right. This sidebar is essential, as it provides the granular view of your course, showing all the lectures and modules in sequence. As you glance through the list of lectures, pay attention to the checkmark boxes next to each lecture title. These are your progress indicators, showing which lectures you've marked as complete. Clicking on these checked boxes is key to resetting your progress. Let's do this step by step. Find a checked box next to a lecture you've completed and click it. You'll notice that the checkmark disappears, leaving the box blank. This simple action resets that specific lecture's progress status, updating your overall course progress percentage as well. Remember, you might need to reset multiple lectures if you're looking to start from near the beginning or across various sections. Simply repeat the process for all the lectures you wish to revisit. It's straightforward, but a bit of manual work. So make sure you're double-checking the lectures you really want to reset. That's all it takes to reset your course progress on Udemy. It's a manual process, but an effective way to start fresh on a course you've enjoyed or found challenging. By resetting your progress, you open up opportunities for deeper understanding and retention of the material. So don't hesitate to reset your progress when you feel it's the right time to revisit a course. I hope you found this guide helpful and it empowers you to manage your learning journey on Udemy more effectively. Thanks for watching and happy learning!